Wake up, people! They hate you! They are lying straight to your face! And you're just sitting there, taking the abuse, like some goddamn abuse victims with Stockholm Syndrome! They hate you! And listen up carefully, you absolute pieces of scum! We know what you're up to and you will feel the absolute wrath of God! Your day will come! It doesn't mean that we're perfect, but we're not out here trying to steal money. We would never hurt our community. You got that? That's the shit we're dealing with, people. They want to brainwash you so that they can become rich. And I'm not having it. And we're back with another video. Another goddamn piston video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's freaking go. And look, I'm sorry if I'm a bit erratic, but this shit is starting to piss me the fuck off. I've had it. Okay, let me calm down for a bit. Anyway, it's Independence Day here. Happy Independence Day to all my Finnish viewers, if they're even are any. Shout out to everyone who has served or are in the military or have done their civil service. And shout out to the Ukraine. Keep on smoking those fuckers. You're doing great. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that because we're here to talk about the Piston Race, which just released their T-bills. So I thought that in this video I will show you guys how you can purchase these T-bills and explain to you very briefly how they work. Anyway, before that I just wanted to check my dashboard. Come on now. Right now we got 1,687 tokens and we're earning 2% daily on that amount. And that's thanks to the ROI boosters that we picked up a few days ago. These things have been absolutely amazing. Like bro, these have been a savior in this bear market. Just look at all the other ROI dApps. How are they performing? Yup. How is this performing? Nothing but a straight line for over a month. Let's get this crypto. And shout out to all of the new members that have joined my team. I'm pretty surprised, you know, because if you look at some of these other YouTubers, this seems to be like the worst project. The worst ROI dApp in DeFi, you know. Strange how we get more and more users every day to this dApp. Wonder why. Anyway, I didn't airdrop anything this Sunday, I was away, so I was thinking I'm going to do the airdrop today, this evening, so make sure you join my Telegram group if you haven't, and I will announce the airdrop there, or announce, I will drop the screenshot and everything, how much I airdropped. And I will be going away again on Thursday, and I will be back on Monday, so most likely I will be doing the next airdrop on Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, I will drop all of the info in my Telegram group, so if you haven't joined yet, make sure you do so. You already know, the best team in DeFi. Shout out to my team, shout out to my Telegram group. Let's get this crypto. So there are only 3 things that matter in life: money, aka crypto, bitches, aka your mom, and getting fucking shredded, cunt. Let's get this crypto. And with that being said, let's pick up some goddamn T-bills. So yeah, this is a pre-recording of me picking up the T-bills using the Piston Fiat on-ramp that you can find on the Piston dashboard under trade. Holger, what is a Fiat on-ramp? Well, if you ask the Moon Boys, it's a way for the token to go up 100x. But in reality, it's just a way to onboard to a dApp or a project using your credit card. So yeah, here you can see me purchase some BUSD with my credit card. Super simple process, you just need to head over to the Piston website and it literally only takes like a minute. So after we have purchased our BUSD, we need to pick up some Piston tokens, so I'm gonna convert half of my BUSD to Piston tokens. And that is because in order to purchase the T-bills, you need Piston BUSD LP tokens. And now that we have successfully swapped our tokens, let's convert them to liquidity pool tokens. Okay, awesome. So now we just have to pick up our T-bills. So as you can see, I got a pretty nice discount, 8.66% discount. Pretty happy with that. And yeah, these treasury bills allows users to access tokens at a discount in exchange for their liquidity provider tokens. Each treasury bill is a unique NFT that represents the output token. In this case, it's the Piston Token, which vests over a certain amount of time. So these treasury bills vest over a 30-day time frame. I'ma link one of Passive Crypto's videos in the description box down below. He knows a lot more about these treasury bills and can explain them a lot better than I can do for sure. Also, make sure you subscribe to his channel. Great dude. So yeah, that was pretty much everything that I wanted to cover, you know. This was more of a announcement video. That I picked up some of these T-bills. I missed them the first time around. So I made sure not to miss them this time, you know, because as more and more people pick up these T-bills, the discount amount goes down. So yeah, of course, I would never give you financial advice. Always use your own brain, you know. You know, when I look at some of these videos talking about other projects, it's like the hive mind speaking, you know. Everyone got the same old talking points that don't even make sense. So yeah, please use your own brain, make your own decision, and like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research, never invest more money than you can afford to lose, that is very important. And yeah, if you like the content, you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hey, you could even leave me a like, that would be very much appreciated. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.